back to my channel. I am Anusha, as you know, and this vlog is gonna be like one of the things that I wanted to do for very long. So today I have a very special guest with me, and no, yeah.
Okay. Hi guys.
Introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Janvi Khattar. I live
This
somewhere
is not a
where
college.
नहीं
This is not a college introduction.
I live somewhere जहाँ का CM is Manohar Khattar and he's related to me, so you need to be aware of me. Be aware of me.
Maybe that's why I'm friends with her, you know. Okay, let's just talk
She's
about
getting the answer after the video. I'm not saying anything.
Okay, hopefully you can listen to us.
बारिश उसी टाइम शुरू हुई हमने बोलना शुरू किया वीडियो के आगे. हाँ.
Can show you the scene like here. Finally, we are playing this game. Never have I ever. Actually, we haven't played this game before together. No, we haven't. And on Friday, I actually put a story that I'm doing this kind of YouTube video, and I need your help to tell me the questions that you guys want to ask. And there we go. Taken alcohol before. It's gonna be very embarrassing in front of parents. Skip school.
As in bunk या
Bunk. Asking about bunk, so
नहीं स्कूल बंक तो कभी नहीं किया. स्टूडियस थी मैं बहुत.
but like छुट्टी 11th-12th में कौन जाता है?
मास बंक.
Mass bunk किया. Smoked weed before.
हाँ मैं तो ब्रोज करती हूँ.
अभी गए नहीं है
गोवा नहीं गए.
गोवा भी नहीं गए, अभी तक मेडिकल कॉलेज में गई नहीं हूँ. On the safer side, I'm going. Slapped a guy.
अरे
Like
ऐसे.
हाँ किया है.
When did you slap a guy? No, when did you slap a guy and why?
Not like slap, proper slap, like मस्ती में यार. ऐसे. You tell me about yourself.
If the guy is watching this, don't watch it. इसके आगे मैं क्योंकि मैं बताने वाली हूँ. I was in 8th I guess और पता नहीं कुछ ऐसे एक बात हुई थी तो I stood on a chair recess के टाइम में फिर देख रहा था.
But
He was just teasing me, no, genuinely.
Have a urge to slap person sitting in front of you. You know.
हाँ.
भाई बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा
नेक्स्ट
बकवास
लेवल
हो
पे होता
जाते
है.
हैं.
हाँ
हाँ
नेक्स्ट लेवल पे होता
ज़्यादा
है.
बकवास हो जाते हैं तो hold a boy's hand and walk together.
मम्मी सुनना मत. ठीक है तो बचपन में भी करते थे सब.
हाँ,
मुझे बड़ी बात है.
Exactly.
It's very
No
chill.
big deal, you know. Cooked something bad and made other people eat them.
God.
You have a story behind it?
Yes, I was in class 11. I didn't basically cook it. I just made it up and जो भी. तो मैंने क्या किया? स्कूल में जो होता है ना सॉफ्ट बोर्ड उस पर न्यूज़पेपर लगे हुए थे. I took that पानी की बोतल में वो डाले मिक्स किया सॉस डाली मिक्स किया और किसी को कसम खिला के पिला दिया.
No, I never did that. But हाँ मैंने कुछ ऐसे उटपटांग बनाया and I like parents को ऐसे टेस्ट करके
बोले
बताया.
मुझे तो नहीं खिलाया ना कभी ऐसे.
Never have I ever sang in public. I have. People get dares, people get punishment.
Jams and everything if that counts.
Like while
I think
playing
it's
a
not a
game,
bad
you get dare na, or you get punishment. You have to sing a song like that.
I don't play such games. मुझे नहीं खेलना. मुझे बहुत बुरी सिंगनी है. मैं वहीं पे छोड़ के चली जाऊँगी उस गेम को.
Betrayed someone.
In what ways?
Let me think of betrayed someone.
72 hours.
I mean, just a dumb person a year ago. So maybe that's called betrayal. I don't know.
किया ही होगा यार, क्या होगा?
I think so,
सब
yeah.
करते हैं, नॉर्मल है.
I think so. I've done. Had cheat meal while on diet. Okay, wait. I
have never been on a
have
diet.
never been on a diet. Seriously, we both work out. We are gym freaks, but we haven't. Like gym के बाद we have gone for a outing and
आराम से ऐसे हाईवर्ड बेकरी में बैठ के पेस्ट्रियाँ खा रहे हैं.
हाँ,
ये
we
ऐसा
done
जिम होता है
that.
हमारा.
We have done that thing, but we have never been.
इसके बाद तू भी खा लेगी. डाइट कॉन्शियस, हेल्थ कॉन्शियस गर्ल. तो दीदी सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं, खा लो.
हाँ, ये तो बात ठीक है.
आप भी खा लो बेबी.
खा लूँगा मैं.
टिश्यू उसके भी बोलते ये भी खा लेगी.
मैं खिला दूँ.
ओके, थैंक यू बेटा.
घोस्टेड सामान.
अरे बहुत इजीली लाइक मेरा तो ये सेकंड हॉबी है. कुछ काम नहीं है.
I think so.
I do it.
हर लड़की ने किया होगा यार.
I do it a lot.
हर लड़की ने किया होगा. हर किसी ने किया होगा यार. I have. Put ketchup in Maggi.
It's yuck. It tastes yuck.
But you know,
मैंने try किया है
but
कैसे
you know,
होता है.
I used to do that when I was a child. Like.
So that does not count. मतलब उसमें से तुम जज मत करना कि sorry you can't be my
I
friend.
have,
तुम
but
ketchup
I-
डाल दो.
When I was a child, but now it's just yeah.
I hate people who eat Maggi, pizzas, ये सब with ketchup.
हाँ, कैसे कैसे?
पागल हो क्या?
Have you ever deleted a cover or post?
हाँ, I do it very frequently. I'm a freak. I'm very choosy.
Like, I haven't deleted a cover of mine, like dance cover. But I have deleted some reels and I've deleted some posts. So yeah, I have. Go insulted in school by teacher.
God insulted.
Got insulted. हाँ, got insulted. हाँ भाई.
Insulted by who?
I
have,
I'll
but
tell you the
I
story.
used
I'll
to
tell you
do
the
that.
story. Okay, maybe क्या बताओ टीचर देख रही होगा. Whatever. So 11th standard teacher said, chemistry teacher said कि I can tell कि कौन chemistry में fail होने वाला है.
Another teacher.
And I was like, she pointed at me. And I was like, yeah, teachers shouldn't be like that. They should be like, they should encourage students. नहीं कर लोगे. But you जो भी है.
But I used to always have comebacks. Like basically करो तो sorry.
I'll beep it. I'll beep it.
Not that I want to demean teachers, but ठीक है यार. कभी कभी वो बहुत अपनी पोजीशन को बड़ा समझ लेते हैं, which is not good.
Never have I ever thrown a drink at someone. यार chance नहीं मिला. I want to.
Same.
I want to, but I've never. I literally want to, like, especially the red wine thing on White Earth. Oh, I want that thing. Do you have a BF?
Do you have a
BF?
had? तो ठीक है. Never have I ever में ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं
हाँ.
पूछता.
So if
वो
your
था
question
ही
was,
क्या इसमें
if your question was, did you ever
have a boyfriend? तो yeah, I've had.
मेरा टिप्स ही है. पता नहीं, मुझे भी नहीं पता, मेरे पास था कि नहीं था.
Complicated. It's complicated.
Hit someone with your vehicle.
आया. Yeah, so what happened? मैं वही थी गेट 2 पे, और I was in 8th उस टाइम. मतलब मैं recently 9th में आई थी and I had changed my school. तो उसके बाद मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड्स एक्टिवा पे नई नई सीखी थी ना, तब शौक चढ़ा था. गए, मैं इधर बात करके चला रही हूँ और मैं मम्मी को बता के नहीं गई थी एक्टिवा लेके गई. इधर बात करके चला रही, सामने अंकल खड़े, अपनी एक्टिवा में जाके ठोक दी. अंकल खड़े खड़े गिर गए. बुढ़े थे अंकल थोड़े से. बट अंकल खड़े खड़े गिर गए. And वो खड़े खड़े गिरे और वो मुझे बोल रहे हैं, मेरी क्या गलती है? तुम खड़े क्यों हो सड़क पे? तुम्हें सड़क पे खड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए ना।
ऐसी होती है, तू तो लड़कियों की ड्राइविंग को वो कर रखा है, बदनाम कर रखा है। ऐसे होते हैं लोग. Okay, so I haven't like hit someone, but I got hurt with the vehicle. Never have I ever seriously hungover. What's that? Like hungover, there are two meanings. Like
तेरा पीरियड ले
वही वाला नहीं हूँ. इतनी कभी वही नहीं करी.
पीते थोड़ी है हम,
हाँ.
पिक्कड़ है क्या?
I've never have I ever trolled someone on social media.
ट्रोल
Wait. I have never, but I have a story behind it. I like there was this political post ki Hindus about the Hindus and Muslim thing, and I was like, yeah, I said something about peace and equality, and people are like, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, Muslims ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, and they told me like for a day I got comments and again and again and again. So that was like, that was not trolling.
So you didn't troll, you got trolled.
I got trolled.
Yeah, I have never trolled somebody, but मुझे ऐसे जब ऐसे celebrities नहीं पसंद आते तो मैं उनको block कर देती हूँ. I've genuinely blocked celebrities because मुझे वो पसंद नहीं है.
Celebrity क्या उखाड़ लेंगे?
फीड में नहीं आएंगे ना मुझे.
Get an idea from her. Played a ukulele before or tried beatboxing?
I have tried beatboxing, but I have never tried playing ukulele. But I will go to a place and then I'll try.
I have tried ukulele and you can see the video on my channel. I have never tried beatboxing.
फिर ट्राई कर लियो ना, रुक जाओ ना, ऐसे कॉन्शियस मत करो मुझे.
Okay, मैं देख नहीं रही.
बहुत हो गया, बहुत है. इसे कहते हैं ग्रेप्स. हाँ, बाल खाते हैं. Guys, इसे बोलते हैं grapes.
Never have I ever lied about my age.
नहीं,
Why would?
never.
आंटी क्या करती है हर चीज में भी.
हाँ, प्लस द फैक्ट कि मतलब आई हैव नेवर टॉक टू समबडी जो ऐसे बहुत बड़ा मुझे इम्प्रेस करना और मैंने अपनी एज बढ़ा के बता दिया, उस टाइप का तो नहीं किया.
नहीं. I was like, I'm gonna be 19 soon, like in November. So if someone, like nowadays, if someone is gonna ask me, are you 19? So I'm gonna say yes. It's like that.
वो तो करते ही हैं. दैट इज नॉट द थिंग ना, मतलब ऐसे किसी को इम्प्रेस करने के चक्कर में
नहीं. No, not like that. Not like that. Have I ever eaten or even tasted my booger?
Is it what?
Booger. What is booger? What's the meaning of booger?
डिस्गस्टिंग यार. पागल पागल हो यार तुम बिल्कुल. नहीं किया भी हो तो क्यों तो.
Never have I ever had a crush on one of my friends.
Friend.
Like, this is very common thing, okay?
You have a crush on me. You never know.
Maybe,
Maybe not.
maybe not, maybe.
Have you ever gone out with a vlogger?
Nah. Just
I
me.
go out with her, so if that counts. I go out with myself.
I
That
go out-
counts.
Exactly.
So
If that counts, then I have.
otherwise,
Otherwise not.
kissed a girl. I mean, obviously sisters won't count now.
Yeah.
Okay, next is left alone in a park by my babysitter. Actually, I have.
By my baby sister.
Babysitter. And I have a backstory also. I have had my babysitter and she took me out. ऐसे कि चलो चलते हैं तो गई वो पार्क लेके and then she was like कि चलो अपनी साइकिल ले I'll wait for you here. तो I came back and then she was gone. And उससे पहले
क्या करने
ऐसे
गई?
कुछ हुआ था. She ran away. She ran away.
घर से भाग गई?
हाँ. Never have I ever been cheated on. नजर लगाई ना कूद दूंगी. No backstory.
No backstory.
You guys don't know how to ask questions for never have I ever, so
अच्छे क्वेश्चंस नहीं दिए तुमने, ठीक है?
get some skills, guys.
Get some skills, guys. So yeah, that's it for today, and hopefully you enjoyed it and you get to know us better, and hopefully you're gonna send us more good questions and we can make more videos like that. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Actually, do you want to do that thing that I do in the end? You don't watch my videos till end, na?
I
Nobody
know.
watched
मैंने
my
कल देखी
video
थी. You
too.
ended it with वो song and वो पूरा song चल रहा था.
नहीं,
but
नहीं,
this
नहीं,
kid
my
still dancing.
vlogs.
No, I do watch यार. मैं
A
भूल जाती हूँ.
vlogs.
मैं गजनी मुझे ऊपर जाके याद नहीं रहता मैं ऊपर क्यों गई थी.
Vlogs. Okay, I'll say peace out. Bye bye.
Okay, ठीक है. हाँ, that I knew. Okay, that I knew. Okay, ठीक है. 1, 2, 3.
Peace out.